Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at 308.72, down 54 cents, 0.17%. Post-market down by $1.49. So let's take a look at our patterns to see if our patterns were changed by today's closed. Are we still into this downward channel? Yes, we are still into it. So Tesla as a whole is going down. Since December, it has been going down. At the same time, we have buyers at 295. We cannot close lower than 295, and this has been true since May. This is the number that people have in their heads. 295, we have buyers that are coming in. We have sellers right here, we have buyers right here. So we are really stuck into this little region. This is going to be resolved eventually. If we start closing lower than 295, this is going to be a sell. So in my opinion, if I had shares of Tesla, I would start selling at 295 because we are into a downtrend. And when we are going to break this horizontal resistance, this is going to mean that temporarily that downtrend has been suspended. This is the downtrend right here. It has been suspended in the sense that we are not going lower than 295. The highs are getting lower, but the lows are pretty much on a straight line. If we break lower than 295, then this is going to be a sell, and Tesla could be going down to this bullish channel because yes, at the same time, we have so many patterns happening at the same time. So we are into a bullish channel. Long term, we are into a big bullish channel, and that bullish channel has a support at 240. So if we break 290, we should be heading to 240. This is what this means. So that's on the downside. On the upside, if we break this downward resistance, this is going to mean that we are no longer going down. So we are starting to go sideways. But then sideways is one thing, going up is another thing. It's not the same. So going sideways, that's fine. We have some resistance at 326.34, 326.34 right here. We have some resistance at 335. Realistically, we need to break that 335.73 in order to get outside of this congestion zone right here. After that, then we can talk about it. We can talk about it. I do a video every single day. This is free, blah, blah, blah. So we can talk about it every single day. We have a few more resistance. We can still make money here from 335.73 to 360.65. We can make money there. Then there is going to be a little bit of a bump. Then we should be a lot more clear to go where? To go right here. Retest the high that we made last December. 484. We have a bunch of stuff that we need to break in order to get there. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So this is on Monday. So on Monday, boom, we closed above 305.64, pretty much went sideways. Now we are gaining stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. We always need stochastic to believe any move up in any stock. In any stock, we need stochastic over 60. So here we did not have stochastic over 60, so we did not believe this much, but now we are starting to believe it. So we are seeing some inklings of maybe a little bit of a move up, but so far the move is only on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's only on the 1 hour chart. The move on the 5-minute chart, has even lost stochastic over 60. Isn't it funny? Most likely this is going to be just temporary because the 1 hour is still good. But yeah, so a little bit of an inkling of a move up on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, no stochastic. So, you know, the stock is not ready to go high yet. So find other stocks to buy. This one is not ready. This is what we do. We check every day. On the daily chart, there's one candle every day. We check every day. Okay, is it time to get into Tesla? No. Okay, thank you, bye. What we do on Discord is that we are watching other stocks. We are watching all of these stocks right here. This is what Discord is for. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX scared us a little bit last Friday. So last Friday, VIX went super high, and this is why the stock market took a big dive. Monday, we had a cooling down. Today, we still had a move up during the day. A little bit of a move up in the VIX. The VIX is higher than where it was yesterday. When the VIX is climbing during the day, this is not helping. Yes. If it's stable, this is a lot better. And if it's lower than 20, this is good. So at least we are below 20, but the fact that we are going higher scare people a little bit. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. We have lost stochastic over 60 though. Huh? So with the move that we had last week, we have lost our stochastics. So right now, even if we go a little bit higher here, we are not going to believe this. We need stochastic in order to believe any move up. So right now, Dow Jones is going sideways. It had been trending for a while. Now the trend is gone. This bullish channel support, this is the channel, this is the support right here. We are outside of it, so the bullish channel is no longer working. It's no longer in effect. That pattern has stopped. It has ended. Right now, the pattern that we have is a sideways pattern. Any move between 43,339 and 45,075 is just noise. This is the noise right here. This is going to be signal. This is going to be the signal. A buy signal right here, a sell signal right here. So we are trending sideways. Not much action these days. SPX, same thing, losing stochastic over 60. We are trending sideways between 61.44 and 64.27. Nasdaq also trending sideways between 22.661 and 23.595. Russell also trending sideways between 21.70 and 23.25 right here. Look at this. Boom. And this is the support right here. We are trending sideways. So not much action on the stock market as a whole. These indices show us the moves of the whole market. So the whole market is basically going sideways. Yes, we can find some specific stocks that are moving higher. This is my job to do for you on Discord. But as a whole, things are going sideways. And this is the heat map of the market. Lots of red and black and very few green. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we were into a small congestion zone within the big bullish channel since April of this year. Has been going higher and higher. So there's a little bit of a pause that we had right there between 115.206 and 121.105. We broke lower last week. Boom. Broke lower. We are still into the bullish channel. So Bitcoin is still bullish because we are still into this bullish channel. And what we are going to check right now is, are we going to bounce on this support right here? So far, we appear to be bouncing. These two lows here were pretty much smack on support, so that's not a bounce. This one right here today is a little bit of a bounce. It's not the best because we cannot reclaim 115.206 right here. We cannot reclaim it. Yesterday we tried and we failed to close above. Today we started right smack on it, went lower, but this is where the rebound is happening. We have a wick here at the bottom. Things are not all bad. We are still into the bullish channel, still above support. We are under the 21-day moving average, so that's not good news. To get a real rebound, we are going to need to close above 115 right here. Close above the 21-day moving average, a stochastic above 50, 60. Then we are going to conclude, okay, we are back into this congestion zone. We are at the bottom of the congestion zone, so it's fine to buy at the support line. Even more so when we are into a bullish channel where we have a diagonal support right here. This is going to be a nice entry. So far, if you want to get into Bitcoin, sure, you can get in at any point in time. Might as well wait until we are seeing some sign that we are going to rebound. If we never see those signs, we are going to cross this and we are officially not be into this bullish channel anymore. We are going to be outside of it, just like the stock indices. And then things are going to move even less. We are just going to be sideways. Ethereum is a little bit stronger than Bitcoin, but we started making lower highs yesterday and also today. So we are following this line. It has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. And it looks like it is continuing. So again, I think Ethereum is going to do great. You can enter at any point in time. But we are at the resistance level. Cannot make this up. Look at this line. Boom, right here, March of last year. Boom, December of last year. And now we are not even able to reach that high. We are caving in lower. So, you can buy at any point, but you are buying into this big sideways thing. If you are buying blindly, you are buying into this big sideways thing. If you buy towards the bottom, then even though we are into this big congestion zone, you can get a swing from 2300 to 3900. So that's nice. But now we are at the top. So buying at the top, there's some risk in buying at the top, because if we are at the top and if we are going down, then you are buying high. And the concept is to buy low, sell high, not buy high. But if we start breaking this, then this pattern is no longer going to be active. So we are going to do a big reset. This is going to be the new low for the next move. This is going to be buying low because we have broken outside of this congestion zone. The stock is high. Here it is low because it should be continuing, and the high is going to be here. This is how we look at things. This is the low right here. This is the low, this is the high, and it's zigzagging between the two. So you can sell here, you can buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, and then at some point we could be breaking this. So okay, this is a reset, this is a new low because we should be going further. This is a little masterclass right here. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that are getting piped automatically in our Discord server. So we have here, Tesla shareholders sue Elon Musk for allegedly hyping up faltering robo-taxi. So the proposed class action suit, which accuses Musk and Tesla of securities fraud, was filed on Monday night. Tesla conducted its first public test of its self-driving taxis in late June near the company's headquarters in Austin, Texas. That test showed the vehicle speeding, braking suddenly, driving over a curb, entering the wrong lane, and dropping off passengers in the middle of a multi-lane road. Tesla is investigating the robotaxi's pilot test. Shareholders accused Musk and his electric vehicle maker of repeatedly overstating the effectiveness of and prospects for their autonomous driving technology, inflating Tesla's financial prospects and stock price. I don't see any inflation in the stock price. We saw it. Tesla shares fell 6.1% over 2 trading days after the test began, wiping out $68 billion of market value. Shareholders said this included Musk's assurance on a 22nd April conference call that Tesla was laser focused on bringing taxi to Austin in June, and Tesla's claim the same day that its approach to autonomous driving would deliver scalable and safe deployment. I don't get this, but I guess yet another lawsuit for Tesla. Elon Musk seeks dismissal of $7.5 billion insider trading lawsuit tied to Tesla stock sales. Musk's lawyers argued in the filing that the lawsuit was filed in Delaware Chancery Court as Tesla moved its state of incorporation to Tesla last year. And look at this headline. Tesla's $29 billion Musk-centric gamble. With sales slumping and its reputation battered, the EV automaker is betting big that its future depends on keeping capricious CEO Elon Musk happy and wealthy. So Tesla's 2-person special committee of the board of directors announced plans to award Musk millions of shares of company stock, estimated to be worth up to $30 billion, because the committee claimed he has not received meaningful compensation at the company for years. Retaining Musk at Tesla, the committee said, is more important than ever. So this newly announced award is a first step, good faith payment to Musk, said Tesla board member Robin Denholm and Kathleen Wilson Thompson. In a company filing, Musk's previous compensation package estimated that $50 billion has been tied up in Delaware courts since it was first announced in 2018. The new package offers Musk about 1/3 of the 2018 agreement, or roughly 3% of the company. So one thing is for sure, you cannot please everybody. So yeah, right now, if you are not into Tesla stock, just wait. Why just risk your money and then wait until we see that the stock is no longer going to go lower than 295 and then starts to go higher than this line right here. This is just easy. You just need to watch my videos every single day, and we are going to look together and see what is going to happen. Are we going to go that way, or are we going to go this way? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.